Hi, my name is Sam Rubenstein. I am 24 years old and I am auditioning for the role of Chris for the soda commercial parody. Um, I am a grad student at Montclair State University and I have been acting since I was a child. I started doing student films and films throughout college, in my undergrad at Stockton University, and I've kind of just kept doing them since then, and that's pretty much all I have to say about that. Uh, I've never had to burp on camera before. I think this is definitely one of the more interesting things that I've done. I can burp on command, um, so that's a plus. I guess. That's a plus. So I'm just gonna burp, I guess, for a little bit. Ooh, that one got stuck right there. um, but like I said, I have a history in acting and comedy. Wait, I got one more. It's stuck. Oh no. Ooh, I like that one. Oh. Regardless, I am interested in the position on this film and would love to be involved in any way, shape, or form. And like I said, if you feel like contacting me, you can call me at 732-492-5542. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.